In today's fast-paced world, the front yard is often overlooked when it comes to home design and landscaping. However, a well-designed and maintained front yard can greatly enhance the overall curb appeal of your home. This article explores modern front yard landscaping ideas that combine striking outdoor design, functional elements, and sustainable practices to create a visually pleasing and inviting space for all to enjoy. Incorporating contemporary elements. Modern front yard design. A brief overview of the principles behind contemporary front yard designs, focusing on clean lines, minimalism, and geometric shapes. Hardscape elements. Discussing the use of materials like concrete, stone, and metal to create visually striking pathways, driveways, and retaining walls. Outdoor living spaces. Exploring the trend of integrating outdoor seating areas, fire pits, and kitchenettes into the front yard design, offering a space for relaxation and entertainment. Enhancing with flower beds and lawn. Choosing the right plants. Highlighting the importance of selecting plants that are well suited for the local climate and require minimal maintenance. Creating a colorful and vibrant flower bed. Providing tips on selecting a cohesive color palette, arranging plants in varying heights, and incorporating seasonal blooms for year-round visual interest. Maintaining a lush lawn. Discussing proper lawn care practices, such as regular mowing, watering, and fertilizing, to achieve a well-manicured front yard. Blending functionality and style. Functional pathways. Exploring the use of pavers, stepping stones, or gravel to create pathways that guide visitors through the front yard while complementing the overall design. Smart landscape lighting. Discussing the importance of strategic lighting placements to highlight architectural features, plants, and create a warm and inviting ambience during the evening. Sustainable practices. Encouraging the use of native plants, rainwater harvesting systems, and eco-friendly materials to promote environmental sustainability in front yard landscaping. Creating a modern front yard with striking curb appeal is all about finding the perfect balance between aesthetics and functionality. By implementing the discussed landscaping ideas, homeowners can transform their front yards into visually stunning spaces that reflect their personal style while also being sustainable and low maintenance. Remember, a well-designed front yard not only enhances the overall look of the property but also creates a welcoming atmosphere for all who visit. So, roll up your sleeves and start your journey towards a modern and beautiful front yard today. By incorporating these modern front yard landscaping ideas, you can transform your outdoor space into a striking and sustainable masterpiece. Remember to choose plants and materials that are well suited to your region's climate and maintain a balance between aesthetics and functionality. With proper planning and execution, you can create a front yard that not only enhances your home's curb appeal but also provides a welcoming and stylish outdoor living space.